How to fix your profile was signed out in Call of Duty Warzone. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the your profile was signed out error in Call of Duty Warzone. So, make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. First, check if the issue is from the server side. Check your console's network status like PlayStation Network or Xbox Live. Also, make sure your Warzone game is fully updated. Outdated versions or ongoing maintenance can cause sign-in issues. Unstable internet can trigger this error. Turn off your router, unplug it for about 10 seconds, and then plug it back in. Restart your console or PC as well. If possible, switch to a wired connection Ethernet. It's more stable for online gaming. Sign out of your account on Xbox, PlayStation, Steam, or Battle.net. Close Warzone completely, restart your device, sign back in, and launch the game again. If you're still getting the error, drop your issue in the comments and I'll try to help you out. That's all for the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more Warzone fixes and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.